Ahoy there! Welcome to our video on the most luxurious yachts in the world. If you are a fan of the high seas and the finer things in life, you are in for a treat. Well, some have movie theaters in them, and some have submarine garages. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find the 10 amazing dream vessels from around the world. Number 10. Learson Polaris for $300 million. The 377-foot sailboat made its debut in 2003, and at the time, ranked 11th in terms of size worldwide. Roman Abramovich purchased Polaris while she was on her maiden trip. The Russian businessman had Bloem and Vos change it, adding a second helipad and other opulent comforts. In 2009, Irina Abramovich was awarded the boat as part of the terms of her divorce from Roman. Through intermediary Merle Wood, she sold it to David Geffen in 2011 for $300 million. Tim Haywood created the sleek facade of Polaris, and Terence Disdale created the beachy chic interior. For a natural indoor-outdoor feeling, she has several terraces with doors that open out to the sea. Number 9. Learson Radiant for $300 million. According to rumors, the ship cost about $149 million, or €148.5 million to construct for Russian businessman Boris Berezovsky. Berezovsky requested Edmiston to list the ship for $352 million, or €350 million after he encountered financial issues, and it ultimately sold for less than that. Radiant, delivered in 2010, has a steel hull, an aluminum superstructure, and stunning rosewood decking. She has 10 suites with room for up to 20 visitors and 44 crew members. A few of her luxurious features are a movie theater, a beauty salon, a beach club, a gym, a pool, a jacuzzi, a helipad, and a fully equipped tender garage. To us, that sounds like it would be worth $300 million. Number 8. Bloem and Vos Motor Yacht A, $300 million. According to legend, architect Philippe Starck quickly drew the plan for Motor Yacht A on a serviette. The ship was later sold by Bloem and Vos for about $300 million. The 390-footer, ordered by Russian businessman Andrei Melnichenko, has a simple exterior and a pelican bow that makes a dramatic silhouette. The ship has a large interior volume of 5,500 gross tonnage and a 62-foot beam. She can accommodate 42 crew members in addition to 14 visitors. She also has 3 or more pools, one with a glass floor that makes the deck below look amazing. Melnichenko owned Motor Yacht A for almost 10 years before switching to Nobiskrug's Sailing Yacht A. The 468-footer, with an estimated worth of $578 million, is not only the largest sailing yacht in the world, but also the most expensive one of its time. Number 7. Platinum Yachts Dubai, $400 million. Dubai was constructed for nobility at a princely cost of about $400 million. Bloem and Vos and Learson collaborated to build the luxury at Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei's initial request. Before the building was stopped in 1998, the team only managed to complete the superstructure's skeleton and the ship's bare hull. The government of Dubai purchased the unfinished design and used it to create a royal yacht for that nation's sovereign. The 532-footer was finished by Platinum Yachts and was delivered to Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum in 2006. Designed by Winch Design, Dubai has 7 levels and can accommodate 88 crew members and 24 guests. She also has a landing pad for a Black Hawk aircraft, a submarine garage, a disco, and a theater, as befits a sheikh. Number 6. Finkentieri Serene, $444 million. The first ship from Finkentieri turned out to be big in both price and dimensions. When the 439-foot yacht first entered the sea in 2011, it was the largest yacht ever launched in Italy and had a construction budget of about $444 million, or €450 million. The 7-deck vessel, created by Espen Eno, stands out for its svelte blue body, striking white superstructure, and ton of sexy curves. She also has many facilities, like a covered winter garden where you can eat year-round, a soft garage big enough to fit a submarine, and a huge swimming pool to relax. She also has 2 helipads and a hangar to ease arrivals and departures. Serene's interior is a closely guarded secret, but we know that Pascal Raymond of Raymond Langton Design created the 43,056 square foot residence. If you have come this far with the video, like, subscribe, and comment on which one is your favorite. Number 5. Learson APlus, $527 million. It is estimated that the Learson mega yacht APlus, formerly known as Topaz, is estimated to cost $527 million or €400 million to build. It was unveiled in 2012 and is the 4th largest yacht that the German shipyard has ever produced. The vessel is believed to have been purchased by Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Deputy Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and proprietor of Manchester City Football Club. Tim Haywood Designs created the facade of APlus, and Terence Disdale created the interior. She has 62 guest cabins, 72 staff quarters, 2 helipads, a swimming pool, and a sizable swim platform. So, what else do you need? Number 4. Learson AlSaeed, $600 million. AlSaeed is yet another 9-figure Learson mega yacht on the roster. The 508-footer, which was delivered in 2008, allegedly cost the Sultan of Oman around $600 million. AlSaeed's exterior, created by Espen Eno, is evocative of a vintage cruise ship, thanks to the twin exhaust stacks in the middle of the superstructure. The boat, which has a steel hull and a superstructure made of lightweight aluminum, can cruise at 22 knots and reach a top speed of 25 knots. Redmond Whiteley Dixon, on the other hand, designed the modern interior. A concert theater with room for a 50-piece orchestra is one of the highlights. And now for the top 3. Number 3. Learson Azam, $600 million. Learson has proven itself adept at delivering sizable and expensive vessels. The world's longest superyacht, which allegedly cost one private owner more than $600 million, was built by a German yard. Azam, completed in 2013, has a length of just under 593 feet and a capacity of 13,136 gross tonnage. The yacht's exterior, designed by Not a Yacht, is characterized by a long, slender forward area and several tiers leading up to the skydeck. The interior, meanwhile, was designed by Christophe Leoni and features opulent furnishings that harken back to the Empire period of the early 19th century. With a maximum speed of more than 30 knots, Azam is also no slouch on the open seas. Surprisingly, after a year of building, the behemoth was completed in just 3 years. Azam also got a refit in 2020, which probably cost a few extra dollars. Number 2. Bloem and Vos Eclipse, $600 million. It took half a decade for the magnificent 533-foot Bloem and Vos superyacht Eclipse to be completed and presented to Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich in 2010. It was the world's biggest and costliest yacht at the time. After about 20 years, Eclipse is still at the top of both lists and is thought to be valued at more than $600 million. Terence Disdale designed the ship from top to bottom, and it has 17 staterooms, a 185-foot-long owner's deck with a sumptuous owner's apartment, a massive pool that also serves as a dance floor, a gym, a beach club, and a spa. Other exciting characteristics include a garage that can house 6 tenders and an aircraft hangar with room for 3 helicopters. In addition, Eclipse has a range of 6,000 nautical miles and a maximum speed of 21 knots. And finally, the table topper, number 1, Learson Dilbar, $800 million. The biggest motor yacht in the world by gross tonnage is Learson's Dilbar, delivered in 2016. It is also the priciest, with an initial price tag in the neighborhood of $800 million. The massive 512-footer, which weighs 15,917 tons, is one of the most intricate and complicated ships the German yard has ever constructed. Dilbar, a design by Espen Eno, has a traditional profile and a light ivory hull with bronze details. The opulent furnishings on board were created by Winch Design and furnished with only the finest luxury materials. But of course, the 82-foot swimming pool is the centerpiece. According to Learson, it is the biggest pool ever built on a vessel. Additionally, 41,000 square feet of saloons, cabins, spas, and movie theaters are available to seafarers. Dilbar was seized by German officials earlier this year after it was discovered to be connected to a Russian billionaire. The yacht is currently valued between $600 million and $700 million, with yearly maintenance expenses of roughly $60 million, according to the U.S. Treasury Department. And there you have it, folks. These are the most luxurious yachts in the world, each a floating masterpiece in its own right. Whether you are a billionaire looking to sail the high seas in style, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, these yachts are sure to leave you in awe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.